Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step and guide on how to get Chase business line of credit. So before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the channel helps me out. So to get started, the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to go to our official Chase website, which is www.chase.com, or you can also visit a Chase branch near you. So to access this or to get the Chase line of credit via the website, so once you're logging into your account using the website section, navigate to the business banking section and select business line of credit. So on step 3, you have to review the available credit line option, requirement, and the interest rate. So click apply now if online, or request an appointment with a business banker at a branch. So on step 5, provide your business details, including your legal business name, your business structure, which is maybe your business structure is in LLC, Corp, sole proprietorship, together with your tax ID, which could be in your SSN, and your annual revenue plus years in operation. So on step 6, submit your personal details as the business owner, including your identification and income information. So on step 7, you have to upload and provide your financial document like your recent bank statement, your tax return, or your business financial statement if required on the website. Then review all the details and submit your application. Wait for Chase to review your application. If approved, you will receive your business line of credit with the limit and terms set by Chase, and boom. So you can now use your Chase business line of credit for working capital, payroll, or other business needs. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.